Can you give me 5? Boom. My name is Teacher Philip. Welcome to our speaking test. Today we're going to talk about our house. Are you ready? Let's go to the part number 1. We say, what's your name?
My name is Abdul Rafi.
Very good. How are you today?
I'm 4 years old.
How are you today?
Good.
I'm good. And how old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
Very good. Rafi, look, how's the weather today?
It's sun.
It's sunny, yes. And how do you feel?
Hot.
Yes, very good. Good job. Now let's go to the part number 2. Look at this. What letter is it?
It's the N.
Very good. Can you speak loud, please? Loud, loud, loud. It's letter N.
It's letter
Very
N.
good. And how does the letter N sound? Remember, Rafael, we say N, N.
M.
Okay, one more time. Look, we say A,
A.
A, B, B, ba, ba, C, C, ka, ka. We say M, M.
M.
Uh-oh, you don't remember. We say M, M, mama.
Mama.
M is for?
Monkey.
M is for?
Milk.
Milk. Yes, you need to remember the letter sound, okay? Now, let's go to our topic. Look, what room is it?
Living room.
It's the living room. That's right. Very good. What's this?
Sofa.
Do you have a sofa in the living room?
Yes, I do.
Excellent. Very good. What's this?
Television.
Yes. Do you have a television in the living room?
Yes, I do.
Excellent. Very good. What room is this?
Bathroom.
Yes. Do you have a clock in the bathroom?
No, I don't.
Very good. What's this?
Kitchen.
Yes. Very good. What's this?
Fish.
It's a fridge. Do you have a fridge in the kitchen?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a carpet in the kitchen?
Yes, I do.
Very good. What room is it?
Bedroom.
Yes. What's this?
Wardrobe.
Very good. What's this?
Clock.
It's a clock. Very good. What's this?
Bed.
It's a bed. Very good. And what's this?
Lamp.
It's a lamp. Very good, Rafael. Congratulations. This is the end of our test. Well done. Boom.